All right, in this video, I have pulled up another 1, 2, 3 charts that we've already trained ChatGPT to do. It's in Spanish. I told it make me a 1, 2, 3 chart for instant conversation. Make the topic coffee, just to, again, warm up, just to get the thing warmed up. Here's what it came up with. It gives me a statement, yes, no question, open-ended question, useful expressions. That's the format. And it says, Tomé un café. Take that again. Tomé un café esta mañana, which means I took a coffee this morning. All right? Bring it over to the yes-no question. ¿Tomaste café esta mañana? Did you take or drink coffee this morning? All right, so pause there for a second. Imagine asking me, Tony, ¿tomaste café esta mañana? Hoy en la mañana, I feel we say. Today in the morning. Either way. And by the way, I told it to put the verbs in bold because those verb starting points are the nucleus of the sentence. Verbs are the nucleus of your thought bubble. It's the center of the bubble. From the verb finds expression and vocabulary. So, tomaste café, no? Tomaste tea, té. Té is tea, green tea. Tomaste té verde. Using that verb starting point, you can generate a bunch of examples. So if it's sí, yes, sí, tomé café. I did drink coffee, guys. Tomé café. Or no tomé café. That's the answer. So yes, no question. Tomaste café? If you did, say sí, tomé café. If not, then say no. No tomaste, no, perdón. No tomé café. Got it? You could grab a notebook. You could grab question cards, flashcards, put the question on one side, the answer on the other side. Now we move to pregunta abierta, which is the open-ended question. How do you like your coffee? ¿Cómo te gusta tu café? Oh, the verb, me gusta. That's the verb starting point. Me gusta el café con crema. Me gusta el café con azúcar. No me gusta el café con crema. No me gusta con azúcar. Me gusta café negro. That's my answer. Me gusta café negro. And what about you? ¿Cómo te gusta tu café? See how it creates an infinite game? I love coffee. Me encanta el café. All right? Question 2. The Colombian coffee is delicious, no? El café colombiano es delicioso and strong y fuerte. El café colombiano es delicioso. The verb center point is es. Do you like coffee? Colombian coffee? ¿Te gusta? Me gusta. And what's your favorite kind of coffee? ¿Cuál es tu tipo de café favorito? Mi favorito es. Verb starting point is es. Infinite game here. You can just go all day with this. This is why we love this chart so much. That's why I love it so much. It has a unique flavor. El café tiene un sabor único. Grab your notebook, grab your journal. You're not here to study Spanish. You're here to organize your thoughts in Spanish. I prefer coffee without sugar. That's me. Prefiero el café sin azúcar. Prefieres. Question for you, question for me. Ask me, Tony, ¿prefieres tu café con o sin azúcar? I'm going to say prefiero el café sin azúcar y sin crema. Okay? And with whom do you normally drink coffee? ¿Con quién sueles tomar? That's a nice verb. It's tend to do so, most often do it. ¿Con quién sueles tomar café? Suelo tomar café solo o con mi familia. And coffee is always best simple. That's what, I don't know. El café es mejor simple. All right. So anyways, 1, 2, 3 chart. Topic is caught. 1, 2, 3 chart. Topic is statement, yes, no, open. This is it's instant and infinite conversation.